Hello viewers, you are welcome to British English phonetics class. In today's class, you are going to learn English letter sounds. A sounds A. A. B sounds B. B. C sounds K. K. D sounds D. D. E sounds E. E. F sounds F. G sounds G. G. H sounds I sounds E. E. J sounds J. J. K sounds K. K. L sounds L. L. M sounds M. M. N sounds Mm. Mm. O sounds O. O. P sounds P. P. Q sounds Qu. Qu. R sounds R. R. S sounds S. S. T sounds T. T. U sounds A. A. V sounds V. V. W sounds W. W. X sounds X. X. Y sounds Yeah. Yeah. Z sounds Z. Z. All right, that's how we wrap it up today. If this video or today's class has brought you any benefit or is helpful to you, then like, share, and follow me for more videos. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.